Hey there YouTube, Ben Border on 9, little video update. I'm having trouble with my camcorder with my new computer. For whatever reason it's not allowing me to view my videos or upload them onto a Windows Movie Maker properly. I have a Sony Handycam camcorder, but it's because of Windows 8, it's saying that it's not compatible. But I'm also having a lot of other troubles with other software all of a sudden. But it's 7:20 at night right now, so it's been quite a while since my last one that I originally made on the camcorder. But many things. Obviously, I haven't been on the road since 9 o'clock. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. I'm kind of cold and I haven't really been able to get warm at all today. So, sorry for the poor video quality. I'm trying to rest it on the steering wheel right now. I just had to move my car back so my sister-in-law can come here and park instead of having to drive halfway across the state, because she works right up and around the corner, but yeah, lives about an hour and a half away. So she's spending the night since the storm has just begun according to radar. But yet it started at like 4 o'clock this morning, so can't really see out there too well. Getting a lot of drifting snow. Hold still. Okay, getting a lot of drifting snow. I've been making trips out at the door there. Can't really see it. Let's see, where's my finger? Ah, there it is. Kind of. Yeah, not really. Right over there is the door, and I've been making a trip out every 2 hours or so, making sure that that stays clear and accessible to the dumpster that's right over here for everyone in the apartment. As far as the snow drifts, I don't know if you can see it, but it's literally bare ground right behind me, and then there's snow, which is showing grass. Oh, it's cold. And then right over here on the other side of me, there's like 2 feet of snow on the other side of my car. So the snow is definitely drifting a lot, and we'll see how it is in the morning. Massachusetts and New Hampshire have both declared a state of emergency. Massachusetts has actually have a driving ban to the point from 4 o'clock you are not allowed on the roads or unless you're like an emergency vehicle. And if they catch you out, there's a $500 ticket. New Hampshire doesn't have that ban, but the governor has stated to try to avoid the roads as much as possible unless absolutely necessary. But there's no tickets yet that we know of. So they're saying about, right now we've gotten about 8 inches or so. Yeah, I know I keep repeating my words because I'm cold and I'm shaking. Sorry about this poor quality video again. But yeah, so I've been working on the jeez, I cannot stop shivering. There we go. Okay, so I've been working on the trying to get a screen recorder to work, but I haven't had any luck. Well, I had one that was working, but anytime I opened up a game, it would stop recording on me for some reason, and I asked a few other people on forums why that was, and they told me to try different ones, except the same thing happened with those. So anyone out there with a good screen recorder, no one that will work with Windows 8 that will work without stop recording as I start a video game or something so I can screen record it, let me know. Message me the link or let me know where I can find it. But yeah, here we are with a snowstorm nor'easter Nemo. So far it's been pretty mild, but just with some winds and snow drifts. Temperature is still below 20 degrees. First started out at probably 15, 16 degrees. It's warmed up to about 18, 19, and now it's back down to 17. And also I wish I had Pisser or Pack and Stack Shop, whatever guy here. He's over in New York as my snowplow, because the guy who plows absolutely sucks. To the point where the car that's to my right, my car, and my other car that's right here, I had all these cars moved, and so there's 4 spots open here, and the guy didn't even plow out ours, but everyone over at the other building complex moved half of their vehicles, and he made sure that he cleaned every single one of their spots out nice and good, but didn't even touch ours. So our guy's a little, I haven't really cared for him at all, so, but yeah, so it's pretty cold out. You can see where it is right there, 17 degrees. I know that's not 237, that's 23.7 since I got gas last night, as you guys saw, so that's how far I've traveled. Not very far. Just bringing the wife to her doctor's appointment and back home. So that's where we are with this, and probably do another update video maybe tonight, but definitely will tomorrow, so keep an eye out for that. Haven't really heard of any accidents, so that's where we are with Storm Nemo. Stay safe.